Namaste. I am Neelam, your English trainer from Vibedu. As every time we are talking that if you are going to write GRE, you should have very good control over your vocabulary for GRE verbal portion. So today I am going to talk about making your vocabulary good, making your vocabulary strong. No one can learn all words from dictionary or from any particular language. Native speaker can also not learn every words from that language. So we cannot expect that we should know each word, but we can learn how to identify prefix and suffix, how to find root word. So through those prefix and suffix, we can at least understand the word. In this video, I am going to give guidance about root words and prefixes and suffixes. This video is divided into 4 parts, so don't forget to watch all 4 parts. Part 1 is all about basic prefix words. Now what is prefix? A letter or a group of letters to be added in the beginning of word to get new fresh word is called prefix. So here is a list of prefixes. These are 12 important and basic prefixes which I am going to explain today. Let's have a look on each word and let's try to understand. First prefix word is D. D is something taking down or away. So as an example we can say decrease, decode, deactivate. Second word is this. This is having same meaning of D, like something taking away or something opposite. As an example we can say disadvantage, disapproval. Next word is X. X is something before, which is not available right now, but it was available few days, few weeks, few months or few years ago. As an example we can say ex-boss, ex-owner, ex-tenant, and yes, of course someone is asking me to say this, ex-girlfriend. Next prefix is ill. Ill is not. As an example we can say illogical, illegal. Im. Im is again something not or opposite. We can say as impossible, the most popular word. Next word is in. In and im, they are same words. That means in meaning is again not or opposite. So as an example we can say inactive or maybe invisible. Next word is miss. Miss is something really bad or something really wrong. So for example we can say misunderstanding, misbehavior. Next word is non. Non is not or maybe opposite. So for an example we can say nonchalant. Pre. Pre is something before, ago. So we can say prefix, pre-order. Next word is pro. Pro is something for or forward. As an example, program. Re. Re means again or back. Examples we can say redo, replay. Next and last word is un. Un is something is really against or opposite. So examples are undo or unusual. Now the question is why we need to learn these words, why we need to understand these words, why we need to keep these words in our mind. Because we can not learn all of the words from English dictionary or maybe of any language. So if we know these words, we can understand mood and mode of the word. Through that, we can understand mood and the mode of sentence, and through that, we can get our actual correct answers. In next video, we are going to talk about special prefixes. These were 12 important basic prefixes. So don't forget to watch our next video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Goodbye.